What's up guys, today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Mavic Air drone. I'm not going to get too into the details on the features and all that, because if you're watching this you probably already know that it has a 4K camera, 21-minute flight range and all that good stuff. So let's just get to it. Very close. As you can see, I got the flame red. I actually picked this up on eBay earlier last week. Usually this retails for around $800 without the Fly More combo. I was lucky enough to get it on a day where eBay had a 20% off deal, and there was a seller that had it for $7.55, so I was able to get it for $6.55 because it was a $100 maximum discount. How do you open this? First thing you see if it focuses in on that. Looks like that's about it. This is the remote. Let's see if it'll focus. Oh. This box is labeled accessories. Let's see what's in here. This is a charger for the battery. It's got two USB connections right here. What's this? Oh, these are cables for the remote. And this is the wall plug for the charger. Type C USB. I'm guessing it might be for this. Not really sure. Come out. There we go. I think these are the joysticks. Let's see what's in here. What's in the box? Mavic Air instructions. It's the propeller guards and propellers. Big old instruction book. Prop cards, which I'm probably not going to use. And in here, see. It's got sensors in front, on the bottom. Won't focus. There he goes. Bottom, front, back. See, it says unfold the rear arm downwards. And then the front arms forward. And the landing gear. Let's see. So this is how big it is. Here's the iPhone 6s Plus for scale. Let's fold it up. It's pretty much the same size as the 6s Plus. Here's the Nintendo Switch for scale. Now the reason I'm using the Nintendo Switch and the iPhone 6s Plus for scale is because everybody has a smartphone nowadays, so you should be pretty familiar with around how big those are. And the Nintendo Switch, well, it's a console designed to be portable, so whenever you're buying the Mavic Air, you're buying it mainly for its portability. That's the reason why I got the Mavic Air over the Mavic Pro, because it's smaller and it would fit in my photography backpack a lot easier. Take off the gimbal cover. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the stickers off. Looks like that's about it. There's one right here. One thing you probably already know from watching other unboxing videos is that the joysticks actually come off, and they have a little storage compartment right here. Right there. Let's go ahead and screw this on. And it comes with a lightning connector pre-installed to connect to your iPhone. But it does come with some additional cables right here. I think it's a micro USB and maybe a USB-C. I'm not sure. But I'm not going to open those because I won't be using them since I have an iPhone. And here is the spare joysticks. And in here is also, I'm just going to rip it. It is a USB-C to micro USB adapter for the USB-C cable. That way you can hook it up to the USB port on the charger, and you can simultaneously charge your drone battery and the remote controller. It also comes with an extra set of propellers, which I probably won't need anytime soon. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Peace.